And Jenny, you have been reporting out of Nevada. So just to begin with, put that overall picture for us.
So we're in a coin flip election nationally.
Drive northwest, then keep left at the fork.
What the fuck?
For the money, that's the devil in me. Had that. I never thought twice what the pressure would be.
Sirius XM, 70s on 7.
Caralho! Tá, peraí. Ai. Bateu. Puta que pariu. Peraí.
What the fuck?
Capone's vault, and yes, there was nothing inside. I absolutely cannot. I would crumble to dust. I would absolutely fucking die. Oh my god.
Everything about everyone, and I don't even think that it's Republican or Democrat. I just think it's where we are in time right now with technology, and that it's very scary, and that you can start to see how big the tech lobby is.
Mucho, a ver, este viene rápido, no, ya frenó. A ver cuántos captamos el día de hoy. Justamente el primero. Miren nomás. Mira, no, mira, este cabrón ya mamó. Sí o sí mamó. Se los vengo diciendo, verga. ¡A la madre, güey!
A tu takie pomysły niemądre, żeby spełniać mnie, gdy ja mam jeszcze szansę na rozwój. Pozwól, że to nazwę, to jest najzwyklejszy rozwój. Ja jestem jeszcze raz zbyt liczne, więc zamiast towarzystwem proszę ziemię. Oczym obrażone trzaskaczkami, odchodząc w nicość, a ja zostaję sami zasadniczo.
నిద్రపోయిండా ఏం చేసిండు ఎందుకు కొట్టిండు
Oh shit! What the fuck? Fucking idiot!
part of the parking lot still closed. Oh, what the?
What the fuck, dude? Holy shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Badass driver. And we're recording. That was cool.
Fuck!
But B, if you are in that position and you have those feelings, get help, figure out a way to find a therapist, go online, look it up. It's good to get help for yourself, and it's good to solve those problems.
Yeah.
They're solvable problems. We've both been there.
And it's good to have friends too. And I have to say, the Facebook group is those people are everyone's becoming friends.